Have you ever accidentally blocked someone on Gmail and realized later that you're no longer receiving their messages? Maybe it was a friend, a coworker, or a business contact, and now you want to reconnect. Don't worry, in this quick step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Gmail in less than a minute. This method works and it's super easy, so stick with me till the end to avoid missing an important step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Log into the account where the person is blocked. Once you're in your inbox, you might think the unblock option is right here, but it's actually a bit hidden, so follow along carefully. In the top right corner of Gmail, click on your profile picture or your initial icon. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Your Google account. This will open a new settings window where you control everything linked to your Google account. Next, look at the horizontal menu at the top and click on People and Sharing. This is where Google keeps all your contact and interaction settings. Scroll down until you find an option called Blocked. Click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the email addresses you've blocked over time. These are people who can still send you messages, but Gmail automatically sends their emails to spam without you seeing them. To unblock someone, simply find their email address in the list and click the unblock button next to it. A confirmation box will pop up. Just click confirm and that's it. They're unblocked instantly and their emails will start going to your inbox again. Quick note, if you don't see the person you're looking for, it may be because you blocked them inside Gmail filters instead of Google account blocking. In that case, you can check your Gmail settings under filters and blocked addresses and remove them there too. And there you go. You just unblocked someone on Gmail in a few easy steps. If you want me to make a follow-up video on how to block spam emails permanently or how to clean and organize your Gmail inbox automatically, let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.